What's going on, everybody? Chala here, and today I want to show you guys how to virtually increase your video RAM memory for your computer. It actually applies for Windows 10, 11, or any other computer, and it actually works best if you're using like Intel inbuilt graphics or AMD inbuilt graphics. So let's just begin with the process. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to press Windows plus R button to start the run. Once the run pops up, what we're going to do is we're going to type regedit. It's already written here. You can see regedit. We're going to go ahead and click OK. Hit yes. It's going to open up a window like this. What you want to do now is go to your H key local machine, as you can see on the screen. Go there, go inside of the software, drop down the software, and then just go below. Look for Intel if you're using Intel graphics, or AMD if you're using AMD graphics. Click on the drop down. Now click on Intel, and what I want you to do is go to New, click on Key. The new key value will be GMM. Make sure there is no space. Everything should be in caps. Once this GMM is created, what you want to do is just click on right click, go to New, DWORD 32-bit value. Now what you want to do here is go to the new DWORD 32-bit value and type in dedicated segment size. Make sure there is no space. D should be in caps, S should be in caps, and again S should be in caps. Dedicated segment size. Now once this is created, what you want to be doing is you just want to hit right click, go to modify. It's going to ask you to put in some value data. Now, how you're going to put in this value data, I'm going to show you. I've actually prepared a list here. So suppose you're having RAM somewhere between 2 GB to 3 GB, then you're going to put the value 256. If you have somewhere between 4 GB to 6 GB, you're going to be putting 512. If you have somewhere between 8 GB to 12 GB, you're going to be putting 1024. And if you have somewhere between 16 GB to 20 GB, you're going to be putting in 2048. Now, since I have around 16 GB, I'm going to be putting 2048 and just hit OK. Now, what you want to be doing for this to take effect is you want to restart your computer, which I'm not going to do right now, but once you restart your computer and you're going to play any computer game, you will see there is a dramatic or drastic FPS increment in that. So make sure to try that. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video.